Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a 2013 Ford F-350. Stock number is 18C611A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks, chrome bumper and grille. Swinging to the passenger side, you have 20-inch chrome wheels wrapped with Michelin tires, running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Looking at the back seats as well. One more look down the passenger side. You do have the FX4 off-road package on here. Factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors into camera. You do have the fifth wheel hitch in here as well. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, you have cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls, full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats, and your four-wheel drive controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-350 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.